Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are making a quiz system which will automatically build your questionnaires, the quizzes for the solution of algebra problem. Basically, we have started with the as a logic. Okay, it can work for any set of problems which you will develop. So we have, for an example, we have set these two problems, and once they are set, so all you need to do is click update, and then it will load the necessary file, the database file, and the system will update the database with the solution, with the answers, and it will be a it will present to the audience the question with the multiple choice, right? And the multiple choice algorithm is also developed. In previous video, we showed you how it puts an answer randomly on choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4, right? And it will keep on changing it, and it will be it will decide which choice should be the right answer of its own. And right, the system will do it of its own. So algorithm was discussed, and so we will cover it. We showed you. So we made a little bit of enhancement in it. Let me show you. So we first of all okay, assuming that you have all these things ready, now your system is ready to upload it into the database. So the database files are shown in the drop down automatically on the given path, right? And this is due to the naming convention, because the naming convention having the test yourself is actually the database we are. So we take the latest database, so it gets loaded, and then when the next thing we do is we click proceed to this updation. So we have put a breakpoint. Now it is in the process of adding this information into a new row, right? And it has put this answer 2.67. This is the right answer. Now it is going to decide which choice is going to be the right choice, right? And the other will be the wrong answers, right? So it will work out the wrong answers also by using a random function, right? So first thing is that it has populated this information into until the right answer column, right? This is the right answer, not visible to the audience. It is just a database, right? Now the choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4. This algorithm starts from here. So first thing it decides that where should it put the right answer among these four choices. So this will determine. So let's press F8 here so that it gets of that. So it is saying that I'm going to put this in choice number 3. Good. Okay, so choice number 3 will be for this particular question as the right choice, right? So it is going to put a 3 in the M column. You see that there is extremely on the right side of the, if you choice 9, we never use it. So we use it for the purpose of telling to the system that right choice is in the choice 3. So the 3 will come here automatically, right? Okay, so let me show you. Let's see, as soon as we run this code, and it will put this on the M column. Here it is putting the right choice. Okay, so let me run it. You will see the 3 has appeared here. This is the basis through which it will do two things. First thing is that the choice 3 will have the right answer, okay, and all of the other choices will have the wrong answers, so using this code interior, right? So in which it is randomly picking some decimal places from 1 to 99, or whatever it is. So it will put them into the everything except the choice 3. Right? If the choice number 3, if the choice is 3, then what it do? It will put the right answer. That is the right answer, right? That is D. D4 is the right answer. D and the LR is the row number. Okay. Otherwise, it will keep on adding the wrong answers. Okay. So let me show you. So the two things are done with the use of this formula. This is contrary to what we showed you in our previous video. First, in previous video, we thought that we should decide how to use the random selection of a choice. So we are using the same choice, only we are putting that choice in here so that one column on one formula can do the two things. One is that it is going to put all the choices uh, with the data, and here it has done all the choices. And you see choice number 3. Why the choice number 3 is coming? with a right answer because there was a 3 in it. So due to this 3, the choice number 3 is getting it. Otherwise, all the others are having the wrong answers, right? So this is, it has done for the question number 1. It is ready. And now the next thing it will do is it will remove this formula as well, because since it has done it purpose, there is no point that this formula remain in here. So the next thing the program is going to do is what? It is copying and pasting the values so that the values remain and the formula gets disappeared in here, right? So this is how it is there, and we show you. Okay, we put the breakpoint in here so that, so you will see that the formula is gone, which you were seeing, that which was bringing leaving the values intact, and the formula is gone. And it is also advisable that once it is done, the purpose is served. So why not remove this as well? M should be removed. Huh? So let's do this right away. So we will say that M, yeah, Control C. Sorry, yeah, it's a Control C, and we put in here is black. So it does away. It removes the other information that which choice is right. Okay. So this is done. Now, when we click here to continue, what it would do, it would go to the next question, and the next question will appear in the row number 121. Right? 122 is done already. So let's proceed and see what the program does. It does the same thing. Okay. It has completed its job. And on the row number 121, you see a new question has arrived, right? And a new question is arrived. And now it is, its answer is 2.99. Okay. So it is now deciding where should it do. So specify where it is going to be the choice number 4, right? And you will see 2.99 will come on the, where? On the choice number 4. Okay, so click it, and they say to the choice number 4 is 2.99. You can see that this is choice 1. Wrong answer, wrong answer, wrong answer. This is the right answer, 2.99. And at the same time, it has removed the basis of this algorithm, right? So it is no need to keep that information. So that might confuse to for future confusion it will cause. So let's remove it. We have removed it from the answer. This purpose is served. Okay. Now, when we click again, so since there were only 2 questions, so it will program will conclude. And let's get back to our quiz. In the quiz, we will do the double click, and you will see our newly added questions will be here, in which one answer was 2.99, the other was I don't remember. Right? So we can say it is 2.83. No, it is 2.67. Yeah. Okay, so if we click 2.67, this is the right answer. We proceed to the next question. Find the value of x. This is the sales. So what is x? 2.99, we remember, right? Okay, so this how you we using just this algorithm, we are able to generate multiple questions only by these 2. And if we add more and more questions, how many quizzes will this be able for you to generate? So you can imagine, right? Unlimited number of questions can be generated through this approach, and you can have the answers in your report, and you can test your audience, and you can build a database and automated quiz for your students, for your trainees. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.